So in this video, guys, I have the Toptes Ct580 carbon monoxide or CO detector, as you can see. All right, so Toptes has sent this to me free of charge for trial and review, and I'm going to be doing just that in this video. Right, I'm going to try it out, go through some of the functions and features, show you guys what it can do just quickly, and then I'm going to be taking it over here. I have this train furnace, and I suspect that it's leaking CO2. It's leaking CO2 under high fire. So I'm going to be trying out the Toptes Ct580 and see how good it works in detecting CO, or if it's going to prove me right. I don't know. I'm going to find out, so stay tuned. So like I said, this video is for a trial and review of this Toptes Ct580 CO detector, or carbon monoxide detector, sent to me free of charge. Didn't purchase it with my own money, free of charge, and I'm going to go through the settings and review it and take it for a spin, real world, real HVAC simplified style. How about that? Let's go. So what comes in the box, you can see got a carrying pouch or carrying case, some USB cable, USB-C this is, yep, USB-C, and some manuals. Right, the manuals is in different languages. Don't really care for the manuals, but yeah. Several different languages, same thing over and over. So that's that. Now here's the device. Let's power it up. So detection 0 to 1000 ppm. Okay. We have a little speaker, a little beeper back here. Beeps when it senses CO. Indicator lights all around it. The buttons right here, and there's a little LED right here that's a flashlight. So let's power it up. Press and hold the power button to power it up. It's going to test the screen. LED lights, buzzer, and the vibrator is vibrating in my hands right now. Vibrating in my hands. Now, device is ready. After warming up the sensor, it's ready to go. Okay. So this is a normal screen. It's actually ready to sense. So now there is no CO right now. But like I said, I got to put this thing into high fire. Put this furnace into high fire, and then we're going to see what happens. So here we go. So if this button right here, I was telling you, there's a flashlight. If I press this button right here real quick, boom, that little light on, flashlight. Press it, turn it off. This is a normal screen. You see it's flashing green. That means, you know, normal level or no level, 0. If you press this button right here to the right, it's going to give you a different viewing screen. Right? You got graphical, like a graph. Right, still normal. Press the function button right here in the middle. Gives you the menu. Pulls up the menu, and you can see right. That's to cycle through the menu. You're going to press the same button right here on the right. So every time you press it, you can see it moves through, cycling through the menu items. Right. Simply pressing this button right here. All right. So now let's go into one of this menu item. Let's go into alarm event records. Press the function, and there you go, you're in there. Alarm records, failure records, calibration records, system records, and again you press this one, cycle through. Right? Suppose you want to select failure records, right? You just press the function button to select, and there you go. to go back, you press the power button, and it brings you back. So what we have here, we have alarm settings. Press function. Here's your settings: low, 50, high, 200, and I don't know what that backlash is, but it's there. And if you press this button, the same thing, cycles through everything, go through, and then obviously if you want to make a change, if you want to select it, you press function, and there you go, right? Make your change, and then you can just use this button to select your number, right? And then once you select your number, you just press the function. I'm not going to make a change here. I'm just going to go back because I don't want to change anything. All right. What else we got? Now if you want to see me just use this device, just fast forward to the end of the video. All right. But I just got to go to the menu real quick. All right. So we got settings, calibration. I press function in that. Bring that up. It asks for a password. I think the password. What was the password? Okay, so the password is 11. Calibration password is 11. So one function. What's that? 11, and then you just press and hold the function button, and you're in, baby. You're in the calibration menu. Zero cal. I'm not doing the calibration right now. I'm just gonna get back out of here. Just gonna press the power button to get back out of there. Then we got system settings, function of that, date and time, display, notification, languages, factory reset. I won't be going in any of these. I'm gonna show you what's in here. All right. So let's go and press back, power button to go back. What else we got? Scroll over, advanced menus, select that. There's another password for that. I think that's two. Let me just see what that one is. I think it's 2222. Yup, 2222. So if I go back, so in the advanced menus you have sensor settings. I wouldn't mess with that if I were you. Backup settings, clear records. Let me clear all the records. Clear all events record. This operation cannot be reversed. Okay, let's just clear it. Move it, select. Okay. And back. So I cleared my records, right? So you see what's going on. So I'm gonna go back out of here. So that password is 222, and press and hold function once you enter your password. Okay. 2 and then press and hold, and you're in, baby. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go back. What else we got? We got information. Select that, and there's some info about your device. All right, that's all that's there. Okay, I can scroll up and scroll down. Yep, you can. Here's more info. Okay, and I'm scrolling with this button right here. Can I use this button to scroll too? Yes, you could. All right, let's get back out of here. What else we got? That's it. That's all the main items. All right, let's get back. Let's go do some scanning. Fun stuff. All right, so I'm going to increase the eating signal. I'm going to make that, what should I make it? 25. Man, my hands are so hashy. 25. Execute. Now let's see top test. Let's see what you got. Let's see if I was my hunches was correct. If I was correct about my assumptions. All right. This does 50 to 1,000 ppms. All right. 50 to 1,000 ppms. 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 50 to 1,000 pp Toptes has a website, and you can also find this on Amazon. Amazon.com. Everyone knows Amazon. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen here now. Yep, it's going up. It's going up. My flame has increased, and nothing yet. Let me go back to the other view. I prefer the other view. Oh, I was right. Yes, it's doing it. It's doing it. Let's look. This is the exhaust. There's some light over here. This is awesome. This is awesome. I like this. This tool works. So my hunches was correct. So yeah, I've increased 25%, and you know, more flame inside. And look, 3, 0 over here is 0. If I go, let me go to the exhaust. Oh, look at that. Real world, real HVAC, huh? Toptes. It works, baby. So let me walk over here. Let me walk over here, just like over here, away from the unit, from the equipment. All right. So I'm gonna walk back towards the equipment. So I was right, because I was smelling a little something funny, even though you're not supposed to be able to smell CO, but my eyes was burning me a little bit of burning in my eyes. And yeah. Oh 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 yeah. Oh, this is really high. Wow. Wow. Okay. Guys, this one is going to be staying in my toolbox, a tool bag, because yeah, I mean, it works. It works. I'm gonna bring this back down to a 0 low fire, because let me walk out of this room, walk further away. Let's go over here to the fresh air. This is fresh air. Oh, 0. Okay. Back some again. So I brought it back down to low fire. Let's see how it's doing over here now. So we have some CO in the air, definitely. So it's not so high as it was before, because before it was hitting close to 200. Yeah, baby. Let's try the flashlight. Guess I could use it. I don't know. Right? Okay, I'm gonna close this video off. You see it. If you like it, if you want it, I would say that for me, it's something I'm gonna keep. Again, if you like it, if you want it, you can find it on Amazon or at Toptes.com. They have their own website. Okay, I'm gonna close this video off right now. So yeah, it's going back. The CO is going back down because I went back to low fire. So at 25%, this thing was going crazy. Let's see if we could walk to somewhere it's going to be 0. So it's lower detection, lower over here. Yeah, pretty cool. And let's switch this to the graph. You know what, let's see what the graph looks like when I go to a higher area. I'm just curious. It picks up over here. Yeah, so it's actually dying down right now. Not much going on. 18. 15. Okay. So yeah, that's the video, guys. That's the video. Like I said, I won't be keeping this one in my toolbox because I can see that it does work. And to power the device off, you simply just hold the power button, and voila! Tear the plastic from the screen. That's it.